Impressions 2024 Long Beach. We're printing a 5-color print on the manual, along with the manual Stampinator. We're going to print the underbase, we're going to cure it, and then we're going to print our other 2 colors. We're going to stamp it, and we're going to go into a final print. So let's get started. So we stamped it for 2 seconds. We're going to bring it around. We're going to go with our blue. And since we're laying down a lot of blue, I like to stamp it again. That way we're not getting a lot of pickup on the back of our screen. And we only have to hit it again for 2 seconds. Now we're going to go into our other 2 blues. We're going to go ahead and hit it again. But now we're going to use craft paper. We have a roll that will actually mount underneath of the Stampinator. This will give you a nice matte finish instead of having a sheen. We'll hit our black, and we're going to do the same thing. Print it, 5 colors, stamped and cured.